Hey there, folks. Welcome to Upgrade Junkie. My name's Jacob, and this is Rob, and we're going to be upgrading his PC that he built in 2012. Rob, do you want to give us a good description of this dust bucket?
Well, sure. Thanks. I got an Asus Z77 motherboard in there with the i7 3770K, which was brand new on the market when it was built. The 750 watt power supply. It's got a new 1070 GTX NVIDIA card. Recently installed a 512 hard drive SSD.
So wait. You opened this recently?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
I was out of canned air. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. As you can see, this is kind of what happens when you leave your computer alone in the room for too long.
On the ground in a bachelor pad.
In the bachelor pad, and you don't clean it.
Okie doke. And we are actually upgrading that with an i7 8700K, this Aorus Gaming 5, and a Hyper 212 Evo. Me and Rob are actually planning on starting another channel up called NPC Gaming and Culture. So he needs to get on par and be able to actually stream and not suffocate on dust the entire time.
I think it'll help.
I hope it'll help. Well, now we're going to go ahead and start working on this. We're going to end up pulling his motherboard out, pulling the CPU out, reinstalling this, and in the meantime, Rob is going to spend the time cleaning out this biohazard of a case. Okay.
There's nothing dead in there.
Anymore. I guarantee there's a roach or two. So we're going to go ahead and build this now. When we come back, we'll take a look at the result. Okay, here we are. It's dark outside. It's been a few more hours than we thought it would take, but I'll definitely let Rob explain to you why that is. Dust and hard drives. I'm gonna spoil it.
Dust and hard drives? You're blaming the BIOS setup on a hard drive issue?
Yes, I'm just gonna go with that.
What actually was a problem was that this computer's never been set up for Wi-Fi, which is all we had available in this room. So Jacob here was thankful that I had actually installed a CD drive back in 2012 when I built the machine originally.
When I don't have a pen, I always go for a rock and chisel.
In any case, we were able to set up the Wi-Fi network, get this thing installed, install the BIOS, and have all the updates done. So we went from, what, a 5-10 minute startup on the old hard drive to a fresh 30-second
from clicking restart to start up 30 seconds. So I know it's not a new tech, but SSDs, still awesome.
Still the way to go.
This is still the way to go. And this man had one installed in his computer, not as the boot drive.
That's right. So,
Also, for some reason, his BIOS didn't know what USB 3 was.
2012 system, man.
It may be 2012, but it did turn out all right. We do have that Hyper 212 Evo on there. My wife is crawling on the floor trying to get in the room out of shot, so that's actually kind of funny. We have that Hyper 212 Evo. We have the 8700K. It's booting up. Everything's registering. RAM is fine. Later on, he's going to do some benchmarks at the house, and we'll show you what comes of it.
I was going to say, another thing I just noticed is that this thing is magnetized. Don't ever stick magnets on your computer. That's just dumb.
It's actually pretty fun. It kind of looks like a unicorn. But once again, this has been Jacob and Rob with Upgrade Junkie. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a good day. Hey there, folks. Hope you enjoyed that last video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and hit that little bell icon if you want to see my videos as they come out. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day, y'all.